My name is Shubhendu Sharma. I run a company called A Forest. We specialize in making forest, especially in cities. So these tiny forests are so dense that one cannot even walk into them. So the animals, birds, all the small insects, they feel extremely safe. They look at these forests as their mating place, the place where they can get a lot of food, they can nest, and they can, make it their home. At the same time, the soil of these forests is so diverse. In one spoonful of soil of such a tiny forest, you can have around 40,000 different species of microorganisms. So right from the root zone of the plant, then the soil, then everything that exists above the soil, they are full of life, full of diversity of life. Unlike a monoculture, a lawn or a garden. When we make a lawn, it's just one single layer of greenery and that too grass. But here you have more than 35 species of trees, shrubs together, and at least 100 types of birds, animals, butterflies, small insects. So within one day, we were able to identify 17 different types of bird species in a forest that was planted in the backyard of my own house. The best way to plant trees or a forest is using the Miyawaki method of afforestation. I'm saying this because we have been planting forests using this methodology for last 10 years. I have compared this methodology with many other different methodologies of planting trees and planting forests, and by far we have seen that these forests planted using Miyawaki method have 30 times more green surface area. So we fill up the vertical space and utilize the entire vertical space, fill it up with greenery to have 30 times more leaf surface area. Means 30 times more oxygen, 30 times better pollution mitigation. The suspended particulate material which causes air pollution is absorbed 30 times better by these forests. They grow at least 10 times faster. If the same trees of same species would have been planted independently, the trees planted in our forest compared to those trees which are planted independently grow at least 10 times faster. This method of planting a forest using the Miyawaki method makes you plant a biodiverse forest which is multi-layered. So you have a shrub layer, you have a subtree layer, you have a tree layer and canopy layer, and trees support each other. So the way we do it is we go to a small patch like the backyard of my own house, where we planted a forest in just 12 square meters. We dig the soil till depth of 60 centimeters to 80 centimeters, and then we add a little bit extra soil. So we have a good depth of 1 meter of prepared soil. We mix it with materials that can retain water, that make soil soft so that roots can penetrate easily into them. And we plant our seedlings close to each other at a density of 3 to 5 seedlings per square meter. So even in a small backyard of, let's say, 100 square feet, around 10 square meters, you can plant around 30 to 35 trees. And these 30 to 35 trees belonging to 12 to 15 species can be as biodiverse as a large afforestation project done using any other method. And you can imagine, the more variety of trees you have, the more variety of birds, butterflies, other insects, fruits you will be able to get in the backyard of your own house. We are launching forest making kits, and these forest making kits are going to be a small pack which will have all the materials, tools, seedlings that you have to plant to make a forest in the backyard of your own house. We are going to custom make these kits according to the area and wherever you are located. So if you are located close to a water body, we are going to make the species mix in a way that they are suitable for a place close to a water body. If you are on a higher altitude, we are going to change the species according to that. please order these kit and make a forest in the backyard of your own house using your own hands. Thank you very much.